Hey everybody, this is Dustin, RV Specialist. So I just walking by the lot, we got two Integras here that are made by Jayco. We do get a lot of motorhomes, and a lot of times we don't really, I'll forget to come out and record what's here and what's going on. But if you have a Jayco, whether it be a new one, a used one, come see us. We're here in Lodi, California. If you haven't already joined our Jayco RV owners in the RV shop with Dustin, we encourage you to do so as well. That's where we're posting a lot of behind the scenes stuff, like maybe there's a problem on these different units. I'm not sure what they're in here for right now, but whether we're diagnosing something on them or we're repairing on them, sometimes the guys will holler at me and say, hey boss, come out here and take a video on this or take some pictures. And so we'll go ahead and record down and document like what we're actually doing to them. Hopefully that it will help somebody else online, whether it be a diagnosis or a repair. We also, in our groups, we share a lot of products and a lot of different things going on in the shop. Tools, we share different repair procedures, different things like that. So if you have a Jayco, we encourage you to go ahead and post any pictures or upgrades or repairs, or tell us what's going on. You can share it in a post, you can share it in a video as well. You can also tell us what's going on in the industry. You can tell us what's going on in your different states. We're here in Lodi, California, and so we can tell you what goes on around this neck of the woods, but it's good to hear it from all different sides. So thanks so much for watching, and if you have anything, please, again, make sure you share it with us. Have a great day. This is Dustin, RV Specialist.